friends, welcome back to a new video of I Square. Previous classes we have learned what is a set and different concepts relating to a set. And in today's class we are going to learn a new concept from the chapter sets, that is complement of a set. What is the complement of a set? Before going to the concept of complement, let us rewind some topics we have learned in the previous class. What was a universal set? A universal set is something which contains all other sets. For example, in a particular scenario, a universal set contains all the sets regarding that particular scenario. So, a universal set is the largest set which contains all other sets. And now, using Venn diagram, we call this rectangle as the universal set, and the universal set contains all the other sets. Now, if we have a set A, we have the universal set U, and we have a set A which is subset of universal set. Now, complement of set A. Complement of set A can be denoted as A dash. This is what we use to denote complement of a set. We have a set A subset of U, and complement of A can be denoted as A dash. Then what is A dash? A dash is something U minus A. That is the all other elements of universal set except the elements from A. We know this particular set contains the elements of A, and U minus A means the set of all elements of U which are not in A, and we know that this is the region which contains the elements of U but not the elements of A. So this shaded region is the complement of our set A. So a complement can be defined like this: the set of all x such that x belongs to universal set and x should not belongs to A. That's the definition for complement of a set. So what is the complement of a set A subset of U? The complement of a set A is the set of all elements of U which are not present in A. That is the definition for complement of a set. And in set builder form, it can be written as A complement equals to set of all x such that x belongs to U but x does not belongs to A. That is what is A complement. Now, let's do some examples. We have universal set here in the first question as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and A is a subset of the universal set, and A is given as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that are the odd numbers from the universal set. So, what is our A complement? What will be our A complement? A complement, we know that it is the set of elements of the universal set which are not present in A. That is simply U minus A. We have already learned what is the difference of two sets in our previous class. So U minus A is the set of all elements of U which are not in A. So we want to eliminate the set of elements of A from U. That is 1 should be, 3 should be, 5 should be, 7 should be, and 9 should be eliminated, and the rest of elements in U are the elements we require in our A complement. So they are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So in A we had 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and in A complement we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And look into this question. We have a peculiarity always that A is a subset of universal set, of course. Okay, what about A complement? Is A complement a subset of universal set? Let's check. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are in A complement. To check whether A complement is a subset of U, we want to find these elements in U. That is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are also there in U. So this statement is also true. So always remember that A and A complement are always subsets of U. And one more thing to remember, look into these sets A and A complement. Are they disjoint or not? Simply we can say that they are disjoint because A complement contains the elements which are not present in A, which means their intersection. That means the numbers which are common, the elements which are common to them, which are both present in A and A complement is simply empty. So this is an empty set. Therefore we can say that both A and A complement will be always disjoint set. Also remember that A subset of U and A complement is also subset of U. We can remember that or realize that using the Venn diagram also. So this is our A, this is the shaded region is A complement, and this is our, this rectangle is our universal set. If we look, we can find that there is no point of intersection between this circle and the shaded region, which means A intersection A complement is an empty set. And if we look, we can find that A is a subset of U and A complement, the shaded region, is also a subset of U. So both the results are very important. Now we shall do some questions using complement of a set. Consider this example. We have universal set as the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A as set of 2 and 3 and B as set of 3, 4 and 5. Now we are asked to find what is A complement, what is B complement, what is A complement intersection B complement, A union B, and hence we want to show that A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now first of all, we want to find A complement. What is A complement? A complement is the set of elements of U which are not present in A. So A contains 2 and 3. So except 2 and 3, we have 1, 4, 5 and 6 in U. So that will be our A complement. Now what about B complement? B contains 3, 4 and 5. So B complement contains except 3, 4 and 5 from universal set. We have 1, 2 and 6. So this is our B complement. Now what is A complement intersection B complement? We have A complement and B complement here. So to find the intersection of these two sets, we want to find which all elements are common to both of them, and we find that 1 and 6 are the only elements which are common to both of them. No other elements are common to both of them. So that's our A complement intersection B complement. Now what is A union B? The set of all elements from A and set of all elements from B. So A contains 2 and 3. B contains 3, 4, 5. 3 is already written. So we want to write 4 and 5 also. So 2, 3, 4 and 5 is our A union B. Now we want to show that A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. What is A union B the whole complement? Which elements will be there in the A union B whole complement? The set of elements of U which are not present in A union B. That is what is called A union B the whole complement. So 2, 3, 4 and 5 are present in the universal set. So except 2, 3, 4 and 5, we have 1 and 6 in U. So that will be our A union B whole complement. Now A union B whole complement is 1, 6. Now what is A complement intersection B complement? It is again 1, 6. So hence we have the proof. From this we can say that A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And this property is common for all the sets. That means every two sets satisfies this particular property, that A union B the whole complement is A complement intersection B complement, and this particular property is called De Morgan's property or De Morgan's law. So we have two properties given by De Morgan, that is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and we have A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So always remember De Morgan's law. Always we will have questions from De Morgan's law in our exams. Now we shall do some more properties. We shall find some new properties for complement of a set. Now see these properties. A union A complement is universal set. Let's check whether A union A complement is universal set or not. This is our A and the rest of the portion is our A complement. This is our A complement. So what is A union A complement? Which means the set of all elements from A and all elements from A complement. So that is our set U. Hence the proof of this property. Now what is A intersection A complement? A intersection A complement. Going for Venn diagram itself, this is A and the rest of the portion is A complement. What is A intersection A complement? That is the elements which are common to both of them. This is the universal set. Is there any element common to both of them? No. This is A and all elements outside A are our A complement. So there is no element for intersection in these two sets. So it is an empty set, and we have already said that A intersection A complement is 5 and they are disjoint sets. Next property is quite important. A complement the whole complement. So if this is our set A, then A complement is this. So A complement is this. Now what is the complement of A complement? That is complement of this region. Complement of this region. What is that? What is the complement of this region? The elements of universal set which are not elements of A complement. So the elements of universal sets which are not element of A complement is this particular space, that is A. So A complement the whole complement, that is the complement of any set is that set itself. A complement the whole complement is that set itself. So what is phi complement? That is complement of an empty set. So we know that this is the universal set. An empty set means it contains nothing. So its complement will be the total of universal set. So phi complement is universal set. Also, what is universal set complement? So this is universal set. Yeah. This is universal set. What is its complement? That is the set of elements of U which are not present in U. There is no such element like that. So it will be also an empty set. So U complement is empty. So next we have De Morgan's law. We have already learned what are De Morgan's law. What are they? A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Again A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. We shall do that using Venn diagram. So first De Morgan's law. For that we want A and B. This is our A, this is our B, this is our universal set. So first of all we want to find the LHS part, that is A union B the whole complement, and we know that A union B is this shaded region which contains all the elements from A and B. So its complement is this non-shaded region. So the required LHS is the non-shaded region of this figure. Now moving on to the RHS, we want A complement intersection B complement. What is A complement intersection B complement? Let's see. This is the universal set. This is A, this is B. What is A complement intersection B complement? So first of all, we want A complement. What is A complement? The region except A. So this is A complement. Now we want B complement. B complement is the region except B. So the region shaded with this blue ink is the B complement. So we want the intersection of A complement and B complement. Which is the region of intersection of both A complement and B complement? That is, what is the region where we have both blue lines and black lines? Here we have only black lines, right? So we are removing those black lines. Okay. And here we have only blue lines, right? So here we are removing the blue lines. So what is the region removing A complement and B complement? It is this shaded region where we have both blue and black lines. So here the region is non-shaded region and here the region is shaded region. Look into both of these figures. This is LHS and this is RHS, and we can see that both of them are same. Similarly, you can prove A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So these are the properties regarding complement of a set. So in today's class we have learned what is the complement of a set, and we have discussed some examples and some properties regarding complement of a set. Now in next class we will solve the problems from the exercise which contains the problems from this section. So till then, wait for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.